Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2014 Toyota Sienna equipped with the VMI side entry manual ramp. Let's go ahead and bring down the ramp. You will first open up the door. You can then use this handle to bring the ramp out. So this is going to be the Infloor ramp, and the width on this ramp is going to be 30 inches. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 57 inches. In the middle, you will have the wheelchair user. Going on to the back, you will have a bench seat that will fit 3 people. And in the front, you will have driver and passenger front removable seats. And this van here only has 97,000 miles. Let's go ahead and bring the ramp back in. You use the same handle to push the ramp in like so. You can then close the door. Go ahead and check out the rear hatch. So back here you will have room for some storage. On the bottom here you will have the spare tire, and as you guys can see, we provide everyone with a set of manual straps. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Let's go ahead and start up the van. So this van here has 97,000 miles. Here is the view of the front. Here is the view of the back. Go ahead and listen to the engine.